Hey guys, I'm Ryan, the owner of OCDetailing, and welcome to the channel. So, I started detailing 13 years ago. Fast forward 10 years, I've now got my own premises in Churchham, Gloucestershire, and yeah, this is the home of OCDetailing. Here at OCDetailing, we offer a wide range of services, from simple maintenance valets to interior and exterior deep cleans. We offer headlight restorations, engine bay detailing, wet vacuuming, leather treatments, and much more. Most of all, we specialise in machine polishing and ceramic coating. We pride ourselves here on keeping a very high standard. Being a fellow car enthusiast myself and building lots of show cars over the years, this is my current one. Excuse the workshop is a bit of a mess. This doesn't feel like a job to us, it's more of a hobby that turned into a career. Anyway, enough of that, thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoy the video.